We've all had a really tough year, and I think children have been through it harder than most, with a lot of things affecting them and how they feel. The main aim of the project is to help provide resources and opportunities to discuss health and wellbeing with children from across Wales.
The resources provided by Books Council of Wales combine our love of reading with a focus on health and wellbeing. The project aims to help address the impact of long-term social distancing and self-isolation in providing reading books that stimulate conversations and parental engagement on these themes.
So books can help in all sorts of ways at all different stages of our lives, understanding ourselves, finding out about the world, and finding out what other people are thinking and feeling, and perhaps helping us to understand and empathise with their position.
The books have been carefully selected to help with the introduction of themes we see in the health and wellbeing area of learning, and the books could be used as whole class resources or with individual pupils or groups of pupils. Some of the themes we look at in the books are things like friendship, resilience, self-belief, mental health, physical health, and they're all very relevant to what we're all going through today.